Hello and welcome to the demo of my project, Emosense. This innovative project harnesses the power of libraries such as nltk, SentimentIntensityAnalyzer, and speech recognition to analyze the emotion of audio input. Now, let's delve into how to navigate and utilize this project effectively. To get started, load the file into the ideally software, preferably the 3.9.7 version which uses 64-bit, though other versions are also compatible. Next, you can initiate the project by either pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking on Run and then selecting Run module. Within a few seconds, the canvas will appear, revealing four key components. The first element is the project's title, Speech Recognition. Following that, you will find the Start Recording button that enables the users to commence audio recording. The Stop Recording button, the third element, allows users to conclude recording at their convenience. Last but certainly not the least, the pivotal response box is where the output is displayed after the AI completes its analysis. Let's put the project to the test with a few examples. The first example is a positive sentence. Our country won every match in the World Cup. As you can observe, the response is positive. Now let's try a negative sentence. Our country lost in the World Cup final. As anticipated, the response is negative. Finally, a neutral sentence. There is a table in front of me. As expected, the response remains neutral. This demonstration illustrates how seamlessly you can navigate and leverage my project. I hope this walkthrough proves helpful. Thank you.